Everyone gets so impressed when I make the salad sushi, and you serve it with soya sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger, obviously with a nice glass of red wine too. If you've ever heard of salad sushi, which I'm sure you might not have, you are going to now learn how to make salad sushi. I've got the most delicious combination of pea shoots, frilly lettuce, and basil leaves. I have some mini peppers that I'm going to cut into rings. You're going to shave off pieces of carrot with a vegetable peeler, and you're going to use the vegetable peeler to shave your cucumbers into slices, and then we're going to add some avocado and some peanuts and a variety of other things that are just going to be absolutely delicious. Place a little of the lettuce, basil, and pea shoot mixture onto a piece of cucumber. Add a little carrot, a piece of mushroom, some avocado pear, and a few nuts. And now we're going to roll up that cucumber. Roll up your cucumber and secure with a ring of pepper. As you can see, we've secured it with a ring of pepper there. And now continue in this way until you've used up all your ingredients. And we're going to serve it with wasabi, kikkoman soya sauce, and pickled ginger.